Welcome everyone! Today I'm excited to introduce you to an amazing device, the HPRT MT800 A4 portable printer. If you travel for business, work remotely, or just need a reliable printing solution on the go, this compact device is perfect for you. First, let's talk about its design. The HPRT MT800 is incredibly compact and lightweight, weighing just under 2 pounds. It easily fits into your laptop bag or backpack, making it super convenient to carry. Connecting the MT800 is a breeze. You can connect it wirelessly to your laptop, smartphone, or tablet via Bluetooth. If you prefer a wired connection, it also supports USB. And here's the result, a crisp, clear A4 document printed in just seconds. The HPRT MT800 delivers high-quality prints with a resolution of up to 300 dpi, ensuring your documents look professional and sharp. Imagine printing from a cafe, your car, or even during a meeting. The MT800's built-in rechargeable battery delivers 26 prints per charge, giving you the freedom to print from anywhere, anytime. But that's not all. The HPRT MT800 is compatible with various operating systems, such as Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. Plus, it supports multiple print formats from PDFs to Word documents, making it extremely versatile. Operating the MT800 is easy, with simple buttons and a straightforward paper loading process. It can hold up to 50 sheets of paper at once, so you don't have to worry about constantly refilling it. In summary, the HPRT MT800 A4 portable printer combines portability, convenience, and high-quality performance, making it essential for any professional who needs to print on the go. Say goodbye to the hassle of finding a printer when you're out of the office. This little device is right there with you. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more about or purchasing the HPRT MT800, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get more tech reviews and updates. Happy printing!